bridal shower is a pre-wedding party thrown to celebrate the bride-to-be and shower her with gifts and words of encouragement that will help her start her new life as a married woman. This bridal shower is normally held during the day and is usually fun and girly. The bachelorette party is held to mark the bride-to-be's last night as a single woman. This event tends to feature naughty humor and alcohol. Comparison between bridal shower and bachelorette party. 1. They are both pre-wedding celebrations. 2. Both are to honor, celebrate the bride-to-be's last days as a single lady. 3. The maid of honor, bridesmaids, is the host of the celebration. Contrast between bridal shower and bachelorette party. 1. A bridal shower's celebration is during the day, while a bachelorette party's celebration is at night. 2. During a bridal shower, gifts and words of encouragement are the main events, while a bachelorette party is naughty. 3. Invitees for a bridal shower include the bride-to-be's mother, grandmother, sisters-in-law, and so on. Invitees for a bachelorette party include just the bride-to-be's closest friends. At this point, I hope you understand both of the concepts now. When next you are planning a pre-wedding celebration for a bride-to-be, use the right terms.